Okay, everybody, I found a good deal that you guys should do. I don't know how legit it is, but it is a true Target coupon. So what you guys want to do is you guys want to text Target, which is their phone number for texting is 827-438. I have texted Target several times, so that is a legit phone or a legit number to text. I text this number all the time. So 827-438, and you guys want to text them LKW KGK. So LKW KGK. Okay? And then what happens is it'll send you a link. So this is a special barcode for everybody. I'm just going to cover mine up so nobody can copy it, but it is a $20 off coupon for $50 or more. So usually you guys can buy coupons, or you guys can buy stuff, and this you have them scan this first, so you get $20 off, and then what other coupons. So I had my husband do the same deal and just screenshot it and send it to me so I could do this deal a couple times. But I'm just going to zoom in. But the only thing you guys cannot use it on is alcohol, Apple products, Boys, CVS, pharmacy, dairy, milk, cameras, Lens, Elf on the Shelf, gift cards, Google, GoPro, Lego, mobile. So it doesn't say you can't use, weird, can't use Tylenol pain relief. But it doesn't say you guys could, it doesn't say you can't use it on movies or whatever. So I'm definitely going to do this deal. So do this deal. I don't know how long it's going to last for, but it's $20 off a $50 purchase. So do it. Just saying. You never know what deals you can get. And thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.